we are going to make a powerful liquid fertilizer for our plants. It will help them grow strong and healthy. This fertilizer will provide essential nutrients, making plants greener and more productive. To make this, we will be using yeast. Yeast is full of beneficial compounds that promote plant growth. It contains proteins, amino acids, and other nutrients that help roots grow better and improve soil health. We need 2 packs of dried yeast, each weighing 11 grams. This will be dissolved in 2 liters of slightly warm water. The warm water will help activate the yeast, allowing it to release its nutrients faster. Once the yeast is added to the water, mix it well. Stir it until the yeast is completely dissolved, ensuring that every bit of it is ready to work. After mixing, we need to cover the container. This is important because direct sunlight can reduce the effectiveness of the yeast mixture. Covering it will keep the solution protected, allowing the yeast to activate properly. We should leave it like this for about 30 to 40 minutes. During this time, the yeast will start working, releasing compounds that will benefit our plants. After waiting, the liquid is ready to use, but it must be diluted. We should never apply this mixture directly to plants without adding more water. The correct ratio is 1 part yeast solution to 5 parts water. This means if we take 1 cup of yeast solution, we must mix it with 5 cups of water. This dilution is important because it ensures the plants receive the nutrients in a balanced way without harming them. Now we can use this liquid fertilizer directly on our plants. It can be poured at the base of the plants, near the roots, so they can absorb the nutrients easily. This will help in root development, making plants stronger. The yeast will also improve soil quality, encouraging the growth of beneficial microbes. These microbes break down organic matter in the soil, making more nutrients available for plants. Over time, this will lead to better plant health, faster growth, and higher yields. Using this liquid regularly can bring noticeable improvements to plants. It is especially useful for vegetables, flowers, and fruit-bearing plants. The yeast will help increase the availability of nitrogen, which is essential for leafy growth. It will also provide some phosphorus and potassium, which are important for flowering and fruiting. Plants will develop stronger stems, greener leaves, and better resistance to stress. This fertilizer is completely natural and safe. Unlike chemical fertilizers, it does not harm the environment or burn plant roots. It is easy to make and does not require any expensive ingredients. Yeast is cheap and easily available, making this an affordable way to boost plant growth. For best results, this fertilizer should be used once every 2 weeks. Applying it too often is not necessary, as plants need time to absorb the nutrients. It is also best to apply it in the early morning or late evening when the sun is not too strong. This allows the roots to take in the nutrients without losing moisture. This yeast-based fertilizer is a great way to give plants a natural boost. It promotes healthy growth, improves soil fertility, and encourages beneficial microbes. With just a few simple steps, we can make a powerful fertilizer that supports plant health and increases productivity. Regular use will make plants stronger, greener, and more productive, ensuring a healthy and thriving garden.